Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this AdaLov wireless bridge. This is the model CPE361. As you can see, there are two devices here. One of them you will connect to your primary router / modem. The other one you will connect to your other router that you want to extend your Wi-Fi connection over to. And you could set that on the bottom here with this switch. It says AB. You want to go ahead and plug in the cord right here to this outlet. This has power over Ethernet. So you go ahead and plug it in. It powers up this device, and then the local area network, the LAN, will go through there and plug in to your router / modem. So you can really extend this network over your property and get a good connection wherever you are on that property. There are various connection modes with this device. You have this little clamp right here you tighten down, and that attaches this post to this, so you can go ahead and get it higher up if you like. You then go ahead and attach this to the surface or whatnot, and it comes with screws and drywall hooks to do so for those. So you put a screw there, screw there, screw there, screw there. Another option is you can go ahead and put this plate on right here and use two more of these to go ahead and clamp this thing onto like a pole or something like that. You can also go ahead and not even use this. There are two screw holes, one right there and one right there. That's the connection I'm going to be using because it's simpler. It gets rid of this. All you need is two screws. We can also go ahead and use these metal rings on these two slots right here. Just hold this on place if you got like a tree, if you got a post or something like that. This thing is completely waterproof, weatherproof, so you go ahead and just put this cover underneath once you have your cables in there, and you'll be good to go. Right here you've got this number that will allow you to go ahead and use this button off to the side here to make sure you're on the same channel. I have two screws in place. Those will go right here and right here. Like that. Now I can go ahead and place this right over it and move it down. And boom, look how solid that is. This thing's not going anywhere. So I went ahead and plugged it in. You can see that power light right there. And it is currently awaiting the connection to my router. And then it'll show the connection to the master device right here with the lights. I'm now here inside next to my main router / modem. This is what usually provides my Wi-Fi. It's hooked up directly to the internet. And I've got the master device right here also plugged into the wall. And I've got that Ethernet plugged in to the plug from the router. And take a look here. It is detecting the LAN now. It's got that green light on it. And once it is able to match up, it will go ahead and give me the connection right there. There's that number one. Just want to show you real quick. You press that button and you can cycle through all the channels, and it's got a 9 A B C D E F 0 and back to the 1 2 3. And you've also got a DC port right there if you want to provide power that way. So overall, I highly recommend this device. It is great for connecting your Wi-Fi long distances. It works great for outdoors, indoors, whatever your situation is. Thanks for watching.